Hey guys, it's Jess aka Designer Mama, and in today's video we are going to be doing something a little bit different. I finally got my hands on the brand new Nuna TRVL DUBL Stroller, and I just got it in the mail and I'm so excited to open it. If you guys don't know, I just gave birth to my baby girl, my second baby, 5 months ago, which is crazy. So I definitely need a double stroller that's easy, that's stylish. Hopefully this works out. So without further ado, if you want to see the unboxing, my first impressions, and stay tuned. Now, what I love about Nuna is how they always put so excited, because I really am excited, and they do that on all their products. So, this is easy and not too heavy, because I'm a little old thing. Share the journey. I plan on it. Guys, I love Nuna. I have their car seat, which is another reason why I wanted the stroller, because it's supposed to be easy to clip on, no adapters. If you're a mom and you have multiple children, or just a mom with one child, I'm telling you, adapters are annoying, especially when you have to constantly remove them and attach them. It's just extra stuff to bring. It's just nope. Okay, we're gonna use some muscle. Oh, all right. So I got the caviar color because you guys know I love black. I just think black is so chic. And also kids make messes, and I was just scared it would show. I think it only comes in 2 colors anyway. I know it's caviar, which is the black color, and another color, I think it's a grayish color. I'm not too sure. So I don't know the weight. I believe it's supposed to be about 26 pounds, but don't quote me. If I'm wrong, or I'll find out the correct weight and I'll leave it somewhere on the screen. And look guys, it comes with a rain cover. That's good to know. I didn't know it came with one. We got the wheels. Got the little care package or instructions manual. Oh, this is the bar. I'm like, what is this? So I did go into an authorized retailer store, so that way I can kind of push the stroller around and take a look at it in person to see if I would like it. So I went with my 2-year-old, and she let me put her in the stroller, and it definitely seems easy to push. Now, of course, I didn't have both my kids with me, but I'm assuming since she's the heavier child, with both of them in there, it should feel pretty smooth and light to push. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Okay, so we have this up. I probably should have put the wheels on first, right? That would have been smart. So what I also love about this stroller is the size of the wheels, because I believe it's all-terrain stroller, so it's perfect. So if you live in a climate, it's not always sunny, you get, winter, snow, this is gonna get you through it all. So I really like that. All right, so I'm just gonna pop these into the back. So once you take it out, it does have the front wheels already attached. So honestly, this is really simple to put together. I was a little nervous, I'm not going to lie, because I thought it was gonna be so much more work. But so far, so good. All right, so that popped in with no issues. Guys, I was so excited. This is the first time I brought a stroller that I felt like it wasn't so much work to put together. Oh my god. Okay, wait, hold on, wait. Oh wait, I still have to put the bar on. Okay, hold on, let me do this right. Okay, so yeah, that clips in like this. So if you guys don't know, Nuna has excellent quality. Like, I know they're really popular for like their car seats, which I've had that car seat, the Nuna Pippa RX, since my first daughter was born, and we're using it now with my newborn. I love that that car seat. So I would highly recommend it. I love everything about Nuna. Okay, so it has the bar, and I'm gonna give you guys close-ups, so don't you worry. I know that it has, is it a clip down here? Because I was kind of playing with it when I went to the store to check it out in person. So you can definitely, there's 2 clicks right here that you can push it down. So if your baby wants that, if your toddler wants to sit and have their legs, facing downward, or you can have them up for, I guess, a shorter a toddler or a baby. So I think that covers them pretty good. It has 2 peekable windows. Again, guys, don't worry, I'll put close-ups for you just so you can see. It has the peekable windows. Now, one thing, I'm not gonna lie, that I did notice this when I was in the store, and supposedly this is the same issue with the single Nuna Travel, is this part right here. Like, if you guys can see, it's literally on my hands, the fabric. It kind of annoyed me in the very short period that I had it. But I mean, in the store when I had it and I was pushing it around with my daughter. But to be realistic, I mean, am I always going to have it out like this? No, chances are it'll probably be pushed up a little bit, you know, especially if the sun's out. You don't want the sun in, you know, your children's face. So I think at least if it's like this, should be fine. Hopefully. If you guys wanted an update video after I used it for a while, I can definitely let you know. But that was one thing that kind of, I'm not going to lie, irritated me a bit. So like I said, one of the things that sold me on this was the fact that you need no adapters. Yes, I said that right, no adapters. So if you have the Nuna car seats, now I'm not sure that's compatible with all their car seats, you know, I can check, I'm not too sure, or just double check on their website. But as you can see, these 2 seats are not equal. This side is a little bit bigger than this side. So that is because the car seat is supposed to go on the side that's larger. That also kind of threw me off when I saw it in person, because I'm like, why is it not equal? You know, like the way my brain works, it was driving me crazy. But we're gonna pull this down real quick. So you just pull it down like that, so I can show you how to attach the car seat. So we're gonna go to the larger side, and I believe it does have to be pushed all the way down for the car seat. And then he said I'm supposed to hear a click, something like that. But I do see it right here, or you could check on the bottom. As you could see, it's in there. And then, right now, how do I remove it? It's definitely in there, but to remove it, so you heard that click, so it clicked in, and then to remove it, I believe you just push this and you lift. So you're gonna push this in and just lift it a little bit and it comes out. So you need no adapters. Actually, let me show you what it will look like pushing. So if you kind of wanted to get a sense of what it would look like with the car seat. Honestly, guys, I'm moving this with one hand. It's so smooth. It's so lightweight. Now they do have these pockets here. It's like a little mesh pocket, but I guess if you wanted to throw your phone or maybe like a wallet in here, you could. But honestly, I would prefer just to add like something right here, like an organizer. But I guess if you wanted to use that, you could. Also, this has an amazing basket. Now, I also have the Zoe double stroller, which I do love that stroller. If you guys want a review on that, let me know. But the one thing I would say about that stroller is it does have, the way the stroller is built, it does have a little metal part down the middle. So that is kind of annoying when you're trying to get in and out of the basket, especially if you have like a large diaper bag or you're carrying a lot of things for the day for the kiddos. It's super annoying to try to maneuver around it. So I love that this is just one open space. There's nothing in the middle. You could just throw whatever you need. And I believe the bottom holds up to 22 pounds. Again, if I'm wrong, I'll put the correct weight on the screen, but I thought that was amazing. So I'm an overpacker. I like to have everything I need, especially if I'm going to be out for a long day with the kids. I want to make sure I have everything. So I tend to overpack. So I like that I have the space if I need it. Doesn't she look so cute? Oh my God, I cannot wait to put my girls in here and use it. So we're going to take this out. Again, let me see if I got it right. Push and lift up. Okay. So I'm gonna put this here. Now the selling point, I don't know if we're gonna try see if I got this right, but it's supposed to fold on its own. So I believe you just hit the little knob. Did you see that? Wait. We gotta do it again. Okay. It's gonna take some, getting used to, but I know once I get it. All right, now for me, guys, again, I'm a little old thing. I'm a little small thing. So it's a little heavy, but it's a double stroller. Now, if you're a little taller than me, this might be like nothing for you. I mean, I can pick it up, if I'm going up a few stairs, I think it should be fine. But besides lifting it, just doing this, it's super easy. Now, as far as the height of the handle goes, I am 5'1", so in my opinion, this is a little bit kind of high for me because I am on the shorter side. But I mean, it's doable. It's not like the end of the world. So I can make it work. If you're a taller parent, I think this might be perfect for you. My husband is 6 feet, so for him, I think if if he's pushing the stroller, it's not going to be an issue for him. Like I said, for me, I would prefer if it was adjustable or maybe just a tad bit shorter, but I mean, it's not the end of the world. All right, guys, so I just wanted to finish up some parts that I didn't get to talk about since the audio went out. So I figured since I'm using the stroller anyways today, which by the way, I love it. So I was correct. It does come in 2 colors. So it comes in granite, which is like a gray color, and caviar, the black color. And as far as the weight goes, it is 25.2 pounds. So technically for a double stroller, that is considered lightweight because there's some single strollers that weigh about the same weight. But again, to me, when I lifted it, there was some weight there. Okay, like I'm not gonna lie and say, oh my God, it's as light as a feather. Like, no, you're gonna feel some weight. Okay, it's 25 pounds, you're gonna feel it, but it's doable. For the seats, right? So each seat holds up to 50 pounds each child. So that's a total of 100 pounds. And the basket does hold 22 pounds. So that's a win for any mama. We need that space. If you want to do little store runs, you could stock that thing up. And as far as the car seat goes, it fits all of the Nuna Pippa car seats. It's compatible with it. And it's 3 to 5 point no rethread harness. So again, that's something good. That's what you were looking for. And last but not least, the canopies are UPF 50 plus and water repellent. Again, I'm at the park, as you guys can see, with the kiddos. I love the stroller. It pushes so smoothly and effortlessly with both kids inside. And even when we were packing up the stroller, my husband was even like, that's it? The stroller's in the car already? Like, it was so easy to put in the car. Usually I have all these adapters and all these extra attachments that I have to take off and put together and break down. It was so easy, all right? So that's it, guys. I'm gonna finish getting my walk in and enjoying the park. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. I'll try to answer you guys as quickly as I can. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.